My first grade friends, let's get ready for Fundations. The materials you will need at home are a notebook, paper, pencil, and a red crayon. The materials you will need in school are your red crayon, pencil, notebook, and possibly crayons, scissors, and glue if you have it. Today's objective is I can identify and write trick words in sentences. So we learned 3 trick words this week. Who, what, when. Okay, so we are going to practice our super trick sight words on this sheet. So this will be given to you. This is also attached in the assignment today. What you're going to do is you're going to find and circle your super sight word. And if you're not sure what you need to find, look in the star. Then you're going to trace our super sight word in this sentence, in this box. Then we're going to color our sight word. So please look at the colors that you have to use. Then we're going to highlight the word in this box. We're going to put our sight words in a sentence. And then you're going to cut and glue into this word to build the word. And if you are at home and you can't cut and glue, you can just write in the word. Now let's get ready to echo. Remember, when you see Echo the Owl, you repeat after me. A, apple, at. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, eh. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, u, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. S, bugs, z. Now we are going to pause the video and stretch our vowel sounds out. For this next activity, we need our notebooks, a pencil, and a red crayon. You are going to listen to a sentence. You are going to write it the best that you can, and then we'll check our work. Okay? Notice the blue boxes on the screen. This first blue box has something nice and tall, which means our sentence should start with a capital letter. New sentences, always start with a capital letter. And at the end, we have a taller punctuation mark box, which means either you're using a question mark or an exclamation point. Okay? And notice how there's space in between each box. So you need to use your finger spaces in between your words. So please listen to the sentence, write the best that you can. You can always pause the video and listen to it as many times as you need to. Who wants an apple? Who wants an apple? Pause the video, listen to it again. Who wants an apple? Does your sentence look like mine? Look at the beginning. We have a capital W because it's the beginning of a sentence. It has a capital letter. And at the end, we have a question mark because I asked a question. Who wants an apple? Now, I want you to be trick word detectives and take your red crayon and circle any trick word that you see. The trick word that we see is who. So you should only have one trick word circled. Good job. Now let's scoop our sentence to read with expression. Remember, we don't want to sound like robots. Who wants an apple? Let's make our voices go up and down. Remember, your scoops don't have to look like mine. So if you use different scoops, that's okay. Who wants an apple? Let's read it together. Who wants an apple? Good. Now go down to a new line. We're going to read a new sentence. I'm going to read you a new sentence, and you're going to write a new sentence. Make sure you have a capital letter in the beginning of your sentence and a punctuation mark at the end. This punctuation box is taller, so again, we might have a question mark or an exclamation point. Your sentence is, what time is it? What time is it? Remember, pause the video and listen as many times as you need to. What time is it? Does your sentence look like mine? Notice the beginning has a capital W and I have a question mark at the end because, again, I asked a question. Now I need you to take your red crayon and be a trick word detective. Can you see any other trick words in this sentence? We see two trick words in the sentence. What and is. Is a trick word we learned a while ago. What is what we've learned this week. Now we are going to go to a new line. Oops, I'm sorry. We are going to scoop with expression. So I scooped, what time is it? Remember, we don't want to sound like robots when we read. And now I'm going to tell you another sentence. This is our last sentence. Again, you're going to write it the best that you can. You're going to listen to the sentence and write it out. This tall blue box, remember, we want a capital letter in the beginning of our sentence, and then we might have a question mark or an exclamation point at the end. So please listen carefully. When will you be here? When will you be here? Pause the video, listen to it again. When will you be here. Does your sentence look like mine? Now we are going to be trick word detectives. Make sure you get that red crayon. Let's circle all the trick words that we see in this sentence. We have when, you, and be. There are 3 trick words in this sentence. Actually, 4. I forgot to circle here. I'm sorry. There's 4 trick words. Now let's go for expression. Let's read the sentence together. When will you be here? Now you are going to practice your trick words on your own. Have a wonderful day.